Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lawnmowers and taking a look at the impressive Kress KG757E.9. A self-propelled mower with an astonishing battery life and a luxurious feel. The Kress KG757E.9 is not your average lawnmower. It's designed for professionals or homeowners with large lawns. Its size and presence make it stand out, and the self-propulsion is so powerful that it can even pull you along if you're not careful. The design of the Kress KG757E.9 is robust, with a lot of hard, chunky, black plastic instead of a metal frame. The handle might seem complicated at first glance, with multiple pull bars and buttons, but it offers great functionality. The handle is permanently joined to the mower body via a metal joint and can be folded over the top for easy storage. What sets this mower apart is its massive 60 volts battery, which is about 3 times larger than standard mower batteries. It comes with a fast-charging, cooling fan-equipped charger. You have the choice of 2 batteries. The 2Ah battery suitable for up to 600 square meters of lawn, or the 4Ah battery that can handle up to 1,200 square meters. With its enormous battery, the Kress mower delivers an outstanding mowing experience. I managed to mow a suburban lawn with ease, and the battery life hardly budged. However, using the self-propulsion does drain more power, and finding the right pace can be a bit tricky with the chunky analog selector. The cut quality is excellent, and the 46 cm cutting width means you'll make fewer passes. However, the mower doesn't cut right up to the edge, so it's best paired with a grass trimmer. Also, its size makes it less maneuverable around garden features, requiring some extra effort. If you have a large lawn and need a mower that can handle extensive mowing sessions, the Kress KG757E.9 with its bottomless battery and broad cutting width is the perfect choice. It even comes with headlights, allowing you to continue mowing even after the sun sets. But for more modest uses, you might want to consider alternatives like the Stihl RMA248 with its dual batteries. So, if you're a professional gardener or have a massive lawn to maintain, the Kress KG757E.9 is worth considering for its incredible battery life and powerful performance. That's it for our review of the Kress KG757E.9. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech and tool reviews on Product Critique. See you next time.